Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another super cute little mulberry to show you today. This is the Mulberry zipped Bayswater, but it's in the size mini, and it's in that gorgeous mulberry oak grained leather, which has a lovely feel to it, and looks really nice and classic with that gold hardware as well. So we've got double top handles, we've got a removable strap, which is adjustable as well. You can see we've got it on the middle setting at the minute. And then we've got that feature belt, which has a little mini mulberry postman's lock on it. And then the main bag has got a zip top closure. And inside, we've got a gorgeous suede lining, and we've got one flat pocket in there. The condition of it is in a really nice condition. We've called it very good all around because there is just some slight signs of use. You can see there's a little mark on the leather just there. And if you look closely at the hardware, it is really bright, lovely bright gold tone, but if you look closely, you'll be able to see hairline scratches. So nothing major at all, but just hairline scratches on that hardware. And then the interior, there's some very minor marks on the base. So really small little marks on that base, but again, other than that, is in a gorgeous condition. You can see this shape is still really nice as well. Zipped Bayswaters have a nice structured shape, and that little winged out shape as well is really nice. So that is still there in a nice condition. So that is the condition of this little zipped Bayswater. If you'd like more details on it, if you'd like the link to shop, the quickest way to get to this bag on our website is to go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you straight to this mulberry on armcandybagco.com. But if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic products page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we have a request list that you can get onto. So if you are a mulberry lover, if you've seen this one in particular and you've been looking out for one like this, let us know and we'll get you on the request list for one. And as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So that is the request list, exact measurements on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So again, we've got that adjustable strap on the middle setting at the minute, so you can use that to pop it on your shoulder and pop it crossbody as well, which is a nice option. And I think the size mini is a really nice little size because it is still very usable. You can still fit quite a bit into there, but it just looks really adorable in this size. And I think if you like the look of a mulberry, but they're a bit too heavy for you, the regular size ones, and the size mini is the one to go for, definitely. And then you can also pop that strap off if you want, because it is removable. It just unclips on either side, and then you've just got a nice little top handle, miniature top handle bag as well, which is really cute. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, have a look at all of our other gorgeous Armcandy, and sign up to our newsletter to keep yourself updated on everything that we're getting in. But we will also send you through your welcome discount code to use on your first purchase with us. Have a look at the House Sale with Us page. If you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags, we would love to know what you've got for us and all the details you need to know on that page. So have a read through there, and like this video while you're here, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more Armcandy.